Marwan wants us to prepare today soup. What do you think we will do?
How about chicken?
Chicken? No. Always chicken.
Fish?
Nah, he will not like fish in a soup.
Or beef?
Beef?
Aywa.
Do we have veal ribs?
Aywa. Beef.
Sige. Beef na lang with vegetables. He likes vegetables so much. It's a healthy food. Mahal,
Oh,
what do you want for lunch today?
what do you have in mind?
Wallahi, I'm planning to make Nilagang Baka.
Oh, lalagang baga? Ay, lalagang baga, isa da.
Nilagang Baka?
Nilagang baka.
Nilagang Baka?
من خشمي. nilagang baka.
Aywa.
طيب لا بقر يعني في لحمة.
Akid.
طيب تمام. ايش شوربة؟
Shurba ma'a vegetables.
شوربة خضار باللحم. طيب. ممتاز كويس healthy.
Like that?
ايوه
It's a very healthy food.
ممتاز. I like it.
Okay. Now we will do it.
Alright.
Mar,
Aywa. Yes, madami.
I confirm with Marwan.
Then?
Okay, he likes the beef soup with vegetables. So, class, we will do that one. Okay?
Okay.
These are all the ingredients we need to make a beef soup with vegetables. Red onions, potatoes, carrots, baguio beans, corn in a cup, string onions, Chinese pechay, tenderized veal ribs, stew of the veal ribs, garlic, sliced ginger, peppercorn, and fish sauce. Now we will put a very little amount of zet in the pan. Saute the garlic. Put the sliced ginger. Add the red onions. Saute it until golden brown. Now our onions is already golden brown. Add now the potatoes. Then the carrots. Cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the beef stew. Let the water boil, cooking the potatoes and the carrots also. So we will cover the pan to let it be cooked faster. We'll be cooking the potatoes and the carrots for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now the potatoes and the carrots already cooked. We will open now. We will be adding the veal ribs to the water. Now add the peppercorn. Now add the baguio beans, corn in the cup. Let it cook for a minute. Now it's time to add the fish sauce. Smells so good. The meat is very soft. Now add the Chinese pechay. Just by the smell, it's so yummy already. This is a very healthy food. Now add the string onions. Let it cook for 1 minute, then ready to be served. Ingredients and measurements will be in the description. Try to do it. You will never regret. It's really very delicious and it's a healthy food. I'm sure Marwan will not only like it, but he will really love it. It's really yummy. Now is the moment. Mahal,
Yes.
taste it. I'm sure you will not only like it, you will really love it. And maybe you will ask me to do it always.
Oh my
Please.
God. Let's see. Wow. This
The
is
meat-
your first time to do like that.
I'm always doing it. But I'm not displaying it.
Wow.
That is the Chinese pechay. Get the pearl.
I want the Chinese pechay.
Pechay.
Ay, pechay.
Pistay.
Pistachio.
Ayun. Get more soap. Yes.
I want
Make
vegetable. Yes. Let me taste. Now look at that. Smells good, love. Oh my God. Very delicious.
Alhamdulillah.
تسلم ايدك.
بالعافية حبيبي.
الله يعافيك.
Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe in YouTube and follow in Facebook. Thank you for watching.